Dope gang. Huh? This the title right here. Well, I'm just finna call it Ratchets. KJ, you know I'm in this shit. KJ, you know I'm in this shit. KJ, you know I'm in this shit. West Coast, Hanford, KJ, and you know I'm in this shit. KJ, and I might be with your bitch. Man, you know just how it be. I'm KJ on the beat. Shouts out to YG type beats. All over YouTube. Fuck niggas talking shit, but I'm like, fuck you. Got a ratchet on my dick, and these niggas hating. She's a fucking ratchet bad bitch. I ain't playing. Shit, ratchet don't mean ugly. Shit, that's why she tryna fuck me. Shit, and she said you niggas ugly. Shit, and heard that she want me. Let's get it. It's the nigga YG. Fuck niggas hating. KJ, I'm the realest. KJ. KJ, I'm the realest nigga. Fucking pussy nigga killer. Pause. But back to them bitches. I don't give a fuck how you feeling. Cause I'm that motherfucking nigga. Shit. Got ratchets on me. Fuck niggas hating cause they don't know me. Got them hoes on my dick. She a fucking ratchet. She a fucking bad bitch. I don't care how it is about you niggas. I got a ratchet hoe, just to let you know. I love to fuck her dope, dick down her throat, and I hope she choke. Ratchet bitches, this go for you though. Hey. Back it up on me, dope gang. Straight up, people say Ratchets is like ugly as fuck. Not to me. For me, when I say ratchet, I mean like a girl that's not ugly, but a girl that's not like bomb. Like damn, she fucking fine. She like in the middle. Dumbass niggas. The fuck you think rappers fuck Ratchets for? Shit, not all Ratchets is thoughts, but you know, a lot of them are. It's a large percentage. KJ.